Good morning and welcome to another unboxing video where today we are unboxing Finders Keepers milk chocolate with a surprise inside, and these appear to be Hot Wheels cars. And so let's see what's inside. I got a feeling it's an egg from the appearance out here. So it's a chocolate egg, but they didn't put the toy inside of the egg. The toy is actually in this little like bubble thing. So that's good. I didn't want to have to break open the chocolate. Wow, okay, this is it. They definitely didn't want you to get in this thing. Oh, there we go. Alright, and we got, ooh, a little roadster. Get the egg in there, and I'll see if I can get you a close-up of that. I'm not keen on the wheels. And it doesn't, it's not as good as the other ones I got out of the minis I got out of the world's smallest. But that's okay. Let's see what car number 2 is. So we got a purple egg this time. Green and purple. It's like Easter. It's hard. Well, like I said, they don't want you in these things. Looks like we got an orange race car, and the front wheels don't even, they're so tightly in there they won't spin. I don't know if you can see that or not, but these front wheels are just in there so tight they don't even spin, and they are tight. Well, that's a disappointment. Yeah, and cool looking cars, purely for display purposes obviously, but they yeah, not the best. Not the best. I mean, they even feel, and the cars themselves feel pretty good. I mean, they're plastic, but the wheels just no. Yeah, these are really cheap. So there we have it. Unboxing the Finders Keepers Hot Wheels with the eggs, and these are chocolate eggs. Even though they don't sound like chocolate, but it's chocolate. So there we have it. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. And that age okay. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Be seeing you.